Hi everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing Belle, Tress, Elle, and Butterbeer-R. On my head is Belle, Tress, Marie, and Butterbeer-R. I think this is a style that does not get enough love and attention. I just love her. Super comfortable, really pretty. But here we're going to do the unboxing of Elle. Elle is from the Belle, Tress Luxe SE collection, just like Marie. So this is 3/4 hand tied. It has the full mono top, the extended lace front that goes around the ear tabs. And I'll show you that in just a second here as we're unboxing her. It has the polyurethane covered ear tabs, the extended velvet nape, stuck, and the Velcro adjusters. So here is Elle and Butterbeer. Go ahead and take her out and show you the inside of the cap here. And my allergies are still acting up for some reason. We are in a very extended allergy season in lovely Michigan, so pardon my sniffles. But here you can see that Elle has the full mono top, the extended lace front that goes around the ear tabs. The ear tabs are polyurethane. The extended velvet nape with the Velcro adjusters. 3/4 hand tied. You have about this much space of closed wefting in the back. So we'll go ahead and pop her on right out of the box. Then we'll play with it a little bit and see how she turns out. So here is Elle by Belle, Tress in their Luxe SE collection, and Butterbeer-R right out of the box. She's really cute. I really like these large, kind of almost barrel curls. I can't wait to play with her just a little bit. Looks like she's flopping just a little bit here, but we'll go ahead and shake it out and kind of get her in place, comb her out a little bit and see how she looks. You can see Belle, Tress does really exceptional lace fronts. Their Luxe SE collection with the mostly hand-tied cap is really comfortable, and with the cap being just partially hand-tied, it keeps the price point down just a little bit. So we'll go ahead and play with her a little bit. I'll come back and tell you what I did. And we're back. Here is Elle from Belle, Tress and Butterbeer-R. The only thing I did was I shook it out. I combed the curls a little bit, and I did pin the front back here. Sprayed it with some water, hit it with the blow dryer just so I could get it kind of even and off my face. Broke up the zigzag part, and that was it. She's ready to go. For some reason in the stock photos, this looks a little bit longer than it is, and I'm short. I'm only 5'3" and I have a pretty short neck. So it's not as long, I think, as what I was thinking it would be based on the stock photos, but definitely a good length. I love the curls. Still low density, but you do have some volume at the ends because of the curls. This would be a really cute style to wear in like a half up, half down, or in an updo, because you do have these curls here. I think it's really cute, and it gives it a little bit of an elegant look, again, because of the curls. So really pretty. I think I have 12 of these. 12 or 13 in stock currently as of the date of this video in late June 2026. It's special pricing, so under $400 for a Luxe SE. It's a really good deal. Again, Belle, Tress, Elle from their Luxe SE collection, and Butterbeer-R, really pretty. Belle, Tress does not disappoint. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.